We have made a commitment to reduce our SF₆ emissions to the environment by 50% by 2030, and that's a commitment in our Responsible Business Charter. We've also set ourselves the ambition of completely removing SF₆ from our operations by 2050.
Hitachi Energy has partnered with National Grid to do what only few experts had thought could be possible. We have achieved the world's first SF₆ replacement in existing 420 kilovolt gas-insulated lines without changing the equipment, an accomplishment made possible by Hitachi Energy's EconiQ retrofill solution. It uses a fluoronitrile-based gas mixture that's as reliable as SF₆, but essentially eliminates the CO2 equivalent emissions throughout the life cycle. This is EconiQ, our eco-efficient portfolio of products, services and solutions that deliver superior environmental performance compared to conventional solutions. Our EconiQ high-voltage game-changing technology has been proven to significantly reduce environmental impact.
We've been working with Hitachi Energy on their EconiQ retrofill solution for 18 months, 2 years now. They've developed a technology that allows us to do minimal changes to the existing equipment, and we were very interested in that, so we have collaborated on this demonstrator to prove that the technology that they have developed can actually be deployed successfully in service, and it gives us a pathway to removing much more SF₆ in the future. The key reason why we've chosen EconiQ in this case is that it's the technology that's available at the moment that allows us to exchange the SF₆ for an alternative with a minimal changes to the existing equipment, so we can retain the maximum amount of our existing equipment whilst having a really good impact on the environment. It's the start of a 10, 15, 30-year progress to something very different. We're very proud to be involved in this world-leading project with Hitachi Energy.